Phirni, a delicious milk and rice-based creamy dessert, has a thick creamy texture and is traditionally served in the terracotta pot. It is flavored with saffron and cardamom powders. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna, welcome to Simply Food. Before starting today's video, please subscribe to my channel. So let's see what we'll need to make this Badami Phirni. 150 gram of basmati rice, 1 liter of milk, sliced almonds, chopped pistachio, 1 cup of sugar, cardamom powder, rose water and saffron. First you need to soak the basmati rice. Take the basmati rice into a bowl. Add 2 cup of water into this rice. If basmati rice is not available to you, use any other good quality of rice in place for it. Stir some and soak for at least 30 minutes. If you have some time on your hand, then soak the rice for 2 hours. After soaking the rice, drain out the water and dry them little, then take into a blender jar. If you are really in hurry, then soak the rice into hot water for 15 minutes. The texture should be like semolina as you can see, but don't make it powdered rice, otherwise the typical Phirni texture will not come out. Now into a karai or a heavy bottom pan, add 1 liter of milk. Stir the milk to avoid burning of the bottom of the pan. Stir frequently. When the milk starts thicken, add saffron strings. Stir them. It would give a nice color as well as nice flavor to our Phirni. You can also watch our Lachha Simur recipe and Rasagollar Payesh recipe. I'll give the link in the description box. You can see the milk has quite reduced at the previous ground rice. Mix the ground rice nicely and little quickly to avoid lumpiness. Phirni is enjoyed on special occasions in India and other neighboring countries. Now add 1 cup of sugar or as per your taste. Mix very nicely. Look how thick and creamy is this. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. I take 5 cardamoms. Give a good mix. Now add sliced almonds. At this stage you can add almond paste if you want. It complements the texture of Phirni. Now add chopped pistachio and half teaspoon of rose water. Before adding pistachio and rose water, switch off the flame and then mix nicely. Now time for serve them into a terracotta pot or earthen pot. If you don't have any earthen pot, serve them in regular container. Garnish with little bit of pistachio, little bit of almonds and saffron strings. Refrigerate for 6 to 8 hours, then serve them nice and cold. That's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my next videos. Share this video to your friends and family. Give your comment in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.